All right, so we are now going to look at the last two areas, which is water and personal health. So for water, I'm going to focus just on the rising sea level piece, but keep in mind that water in any form, liquid, solid, or gas, is affected by climate change. So think of precipitation, so rain. Think of in the solid form as ice and glaciers melting, and of course, then the oceans. Since 1994, global sea levels have risen 3.2 millimeters each year. This rise is twice as fast as the previous 80 years and is expected to continue. There are two reasons why the sea level will rise. Number one, the ocean water becomes warmer, it expands, and therefore increases in volume. And number two, ocean ice and glaciers, including the ice caps in Greenland and Antarctica, are melting. So scientists are predicting a rise of 1 meter in sea levels by the year 2100. Currently, there are about 600 million people who live on ocean's coast, and really they're living less than 10 meters above sea level. So a rise of 1 meter by year 2100 could be disastrous for some settlements, such as New Orleans and the tiny island of Tuvalu. Tuvalu is one of our options on our choice board, so some of you might be learning about this week. I'm going to jump over here to personal health. So climate change can also affect our own personal health, and one example of this is air pollution. In 2014, Paris, France, was suffering from very high levels of air pollution. And to reduce this, the government of the city actually offered free public transportation for 3 days to reduce driving and reduce kind of those greenhouse gas emissions. So, an interesting fact about this is that while most people think that urban centers or areas with a dense population have higher air pollution levels, in some rural areas, their air pollution is actually higher as they're driving more. So don't forget that pollutants from climate change can be found in air, land, or water, making all of these things unusable or unsafe.